how to answer or decline incoming calls with a single tap. So here I can tap on it to answer or decline a call, as you can see. So let's see how you can turn on this feature. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, now I'm going to scroll down, and then in here we tap on accessibility. So tap on accessibility, then go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Next, tap on assistant menu, tap on the left hand side panel. At the top here, you need to tap on the toggle button to turn on assistant menu, then tap on allow. So in order to use the single tap feature, we need to turn on assistant menu. Then we go down here and tap on replace swipe with single tap. So this is the function here allowing us to tap on the button once to answer or decline the call. So tap on the toggle button right next to the replace swipe with a single tap. Now set here, respond to alarms, alerts, and incoming calls by tapping instead of swiping. Okay, so now we go back to the home screen. Now I'm going to give myself a call. So here we have an incoming call. I can now tap on the answer button to answer the call. Or I can end the call by simply tap on the decline or the reject button. Now you can see here I have the assistant menu. It has to be turned on. If you switch off assistant menu, then it will not work. What you can do is, if you don't like this assistant menu button, you can change the transparency of the button. So you can see here, I can change the transparency. So that will make the buttons transparency very minimal. I can also change the size to a small button. And what we can do, show as edge icon. So we can turn on show as edge icon. So it will be on the edge here. So you can see it is very dim. You can't actually see it. But if you tap on it, it will show the assistant menu button. So it is still on. You still can use the function single tap to answer, as well as answering incoming calls. You can perform a single tap to respond to alarms and alert. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.